o time XCMG Brasil!
Aqui na XCMG, os nossos colaboradores estão sempre empenhados a entregar o seu melhor resultado. Espero que a temporada 9 do XCMG Apprentice esteja sendo um sucesso. Vai, Brasil!
我们是来自中亚大区的团队成员。Ассаламу алейкум.
Здравствуйте! Мы желаем вам успешной деятельности.
Kasbi faaliyatingizda omadlar tilaymiz.
Myself, Abdul Rahim, HR Manager, XCMG KSA Subsidiary. My name is Dr. Turki, HR and Legal Affairs Department Director.
We are the XCMG Turkey team.
My name is Volgar Karawan.
My name is Dishil.
I am Unval.
XCMG Europe was established 2012. Now it's currently divided in 3 parts.
XCMG Europe Purchasing Center and XCMG European Sales and Services.
And our company has over 200 employees.
We are the team from XCMG's Indonesia region. We are proud of XCMG and XCMG shines because of us.
We are the team from XCMG's East Africa region.
We are the team from South Africa, XCMG.
I'm Lana.
I'm Chapiwa Teresa.
My name is Tetwadgo from XCMG Zimbabwe.
This is Chris speaking from XCMG South Asia team.
This is Mason from XCMG South Asia team.
We are the team from XCMG's R&D Center region.
We are the team from XCMG.
We are the team from XCMG JR Factory.
We are the team from XCMG Unigote Epson plant.
Chào các bạn, chúng tôi là các thành viên của đội ngũ XCMG Việt Nam.
Мы члены команды из российского Амберского региона XCMG.
Мы желаем стажерам удачи и успеха на тренинге. Мы рады быть частью команды XCMG. XCMG становится лучше и успешнее благодаря нашей совместной работе.
Esperamos que el evento de practicantes XCMG y curso de capacitación de empleados excelentes fuera de China sea todo un éxito.
Hi, I'm Roy Rossini from XCMG Mining Equipment Australia. Beside me is the team for the XCMG operation, which we've developed over the last 4 years. Empower XCMG!
Hi, Ted Steinkamp. I wanted to give a big shout out to Mr. Adam Alt, who's at the apprentice over at the headquarters.
One XCMG. XCMG, solid to succeed.
Hello, this is Rashad, Marketing Specialist for XCMG Canada.
Hi, Dan Taylor. I'm Barry Sadler with XCMG Canada.
Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a Business Coordinator at XCMG Canada.
My name is Sain. I'm the Territory Manager for Western Canada.
Hi, I'm Victor John.
Hi, my name is Michelle Rayon.
I'm Barbara. I'm the Controller of XCMG Canada.
Unlocking potential with XCMG Apprentice Season 9.
And Global Excellent Employee Training Camp.
Success One XCMG.
We believe in you all. Good luck for your team in Canada.